Fires don't wait for the right moment, they strike when you least expect it. On construction sites, the risk of fire is always present, from hot equipment to chemicals and fuel. But the real question is, are you prepared? Fire can happen anywhere on a construction site. Whether it's from welding sparks, electrical malfunctions, or flammable materials, you must be ready to respond. And not just with any fire extinguisher. The right tool for the right fire can mean the difference between a quick resolution and a disaster. That's why OSHA Outreach Courses has designed the Fire Extinguisher Safety for Construction course. 17 minutes packed with essential knowledge on how to choose, use, and maintain fire extinguishers, so you can act instantly when an emergency arises. One of the most important things you'll learn is the PASS method, a simple yet critical technique to fight fires effectively. First, you pull the pin, which allows the extinguisher to operate. Then, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, where the fuel is. Squeeze the handle to release the agent, and sweep from side to side, covering the fire as you go. This technique will help you put out the fire quickly and safely. Fire safety doesn't stop at knowing how to use an extinguisher. Maintaining your equipment is equally important. In this course, we'll cover how to inspect fire extinguishers regularly, check their pressure gauges, and ensure they're free of damage or corrosion. You'll also gain insight into how proper storage and housekeeping practices can prevent fires in the first place. Store flammable materials away from heat sources. Maintain clear walkways to prevent blocking fire exits. A clean, organized worksite is a safe worksite. Fire emergencies are high-pressure situations, but knowing the procedures beforehand makes all the difference. In this course, you'll understand the fire safety procedures to follow on-site, from evacuating personnel to coordinating with first responders. You'll also learn how to keep calm and act decisively, preventing panic from taking over. Once you complete this course, you'll receive your OSHA Outreach Certificate. This certification is not just a piece of paper, it's proof that you're ready to respond to, prevent, and protect yourself and your crew from the dangers of fire on the job. Don't wait for the flames to catch you off guard. Click the link in the description to enroll in Fire Extinguisher Safety for Construction today.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.